All right, we got a new iPhone 16 Pro here and a Apple Silicone case. So let's unbox these. See, there's little icons here. So here's the new camera control. So here is the camera control button. So the phone is off and you can hear it click. Then we've got USB-C cable here. Nice braided cable. And that's pretty much it. Okay, and then let's unbox the case. Most interesting part is probably the camera control. So it looks like kind of a thin metal piece to kind of conduct through there. They recommend putting the camera control side on first. And then you can see when you push this, you get the clicking sound. So this is the natural titanium iPhone 16 Pro, and then this is the black silicone case. So that's what it looks like. Okay, time to power it on.